Hi everyone, here we got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to turn off the SIM card protection, so how to turn off the SIM pen. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's find the security. Here we have to find the SIM card lock section and tap on the card we are currently using. As you can see here, we've got lock SIM card option, which is right now activated, so it means that after restarting your phone you will need to use the PIN to unlock it. So in order to turn it off, just tap on the switcher here, and in order to confirm we have to enter our current SIM pen. So let me do this and confirm with OK. As you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on, after restarting your device, you won't have to enter the PIN. So actually that's all. This is how to remove the SIM card protection in your Motorola Moto G30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.